We're out here with Sean, looking at his hood. You guys can see. Try to get a up close shot. There you go, the honeycomb hood vents. And then he also has this wing. Probably more functional than mine. Kind of like a Voltex almost. Rear diffuser. And then here's this OEM hood that I'm looking at right now. Is this the Prova or the GT spec wheel?
That's the DAMD.
The DAMD? Okay.
Yeah,
nice.
Formula.
Formula?
Formula red.
Oh, come on, focus. Push start. He's got the Rev 2 seats. He called them Fat Man's Evo. Super clean. Still kind of smells like new car. Oh, you're gonna paint this carbon?
I know.
He's got a carbon fiber hatch. It's the dry with a Lexane rear window. I've always wanted to do this. Sean has like, you have like all the mods that I wanted to do but never did.
Right. Oh yeah, that's me.
Too far.
Too far away. Stuck.
RSRR tires. Sean's all ready for his next track day. Alright, so we're back home. Got back from Sean's. A guy wants to buy my OEM hood for $700, which means I could buy Sean's, which is dark gray metallic, with the hood vents on, and I could wrap it some color, I don't know. Or the other option is I get a carbon, a real, not a Sabon or anything like that, a real carbon fiber hood, which weighs probably like 5 to 10 pounds. But that means I'll probably be hoodless, or I'll have to run that Sean's hood for a couple months. I'm really torn on what to do. What do you guys think I should do? Let me know down below. I'll throw in some pictures of like the true carbon fiber style hood that I was thinking of. But yep, I will be going to a meet Saturday the 29th, so that's some different news. Car's running really well. Definitely did some fun runs on the way home. The tomei is still stupid loud. Excuse me. I'm thinking April 1st is when I will, or the first weekend in April is when I'll put on the new track pads and go to Adams to get this car ready. One thing that I noticed now that's happening to this car is my fender liner is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, the common Subaru problem with the fender liner just being totally torn off, and my tire's actually starting to eat at it, so I will have to figure something out for that. But basically, yeah, car's all dialed in. Like I said, I got the 5th point in. My car's actually locked right now. Yeah, I think that'll do it for right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.